it first started off, I grew up, all I ever wanted to be was a police officer. Until I was 18, I wanted to take an EMT course to help with a resume filler to try to help get on with the police department. I kind of fell in love with medicine at that time, and I realized there was nothing else I could do with my life other than this. I found Pima because my best friend went through the last paramedic program here, and he recommended the course. When I first got here, the first day I definitely felt overwhelmed with the amount of work that they wanted us to do, but it seems as though when time went on, it got a little bit easier, but then there were times when it got harder. The workload would kind of simmer down, but then it would pick back up again. The instructors are fantastic. We did our field rotations. I went to Daisy Mountain Fire Department, and I really feel because our EMS director was a deputy fire chief that it really prepared me to kind of insert myself in fire life, and I had a really great time and a really great experience. Any Pima paramedic that I've come in contact with, they were very, very competent, very knowledgeable, very good paramedics. I think Pima does a good job at preparing students for the field. Yeah, it's a really family-oriented profession, and it's a really good profession to be in.